Good morning, children. I hope you enjoyed the story Veena's Confession. Every time we speak truth, children, we add value to our character. Yes, very important, children. We should always say the truth. No matter how big the situation is or how much scolding you will get, but you should always say the truth. Now we'll do the other activities of the lesson. So let's start with words to know. In unison, together at the same time. Sternly, very serious in an unfriendly way. Ruined, spoiled or messed up. Grooming, brushing and cleaning of goats or any other animal. Owning up, taking responsibility. Glimmering, shining with a wavelength. Now be mindful. Silent sitting. First, sit in a comfortable position on a chair, on a cross leg or on the floor. Make your body straight and head upright. Take a deep breath and relax on your breath out. Take another deep breath and another. Think of time when you told a lie to cover up something. How did you feel? Does the thing that is wrong really go away by telling the lie or pretending that it had not happened? What could you have done right? So yes, this we have done in the class also. So just take out time, sit down, aram se, and think of the one lie that you told your parents or anybody, and think how you felt about it. And when you tell a lie, that does not mean that the mistake is not happened. जो गलती करी है वो तो गलती रहेगी बच्चों. That will not change if you are covering up with a lie. So think about it, and next time whenever you do a mistake, just go and just say that you have done it. Don't lie to your parents or anybody. That is not right. Okay, because to cover a mistake you have to say 1,000 lies. You have to keep on lying, and then one day they will come to know that it was a lie. So better that you go and say that you have done a mistake. Now question and answers. What do you think would have happened if Girish and Veena would have confessed their mistake to their father? So if Girish and Veena would have told the father that they've cut the red cloth, father would have not scolded them. Father would have said okay to them, and that guilt of Veena would not have been come out. What do you think it is difficult for us to face the consequences of mistake? Yes, sometimes we lie because children, we are not mentally ready to face the consequences. What will the parents say? What will the brother sister say? What will my grandparents say if somebody is going to hit me? So we are scared of the consequences, and that is the reason we lie. Do your grandparents tell you a tale from their past? Do you think listening to elders' experience can help? You must be listening stories from your grandparents or even from your parents. So listen how they have worked, take the experience from them and learn from their stories. How many times you have gotten up telling a lie? Do you regret or feel guilty about it? Yes. See, sometimes when you tell a lie, people can catch you that you are lying. So in that case, how have you felt? Guilty. So next time, don't say a lie. What should Girish have advised Veena? So Girish should have advised Veena to go and tell father about the cloth rather than hiding it. What did Girish and Veena not telling anything to their father? Girish and Veena did not say anything to the father because they were scared. Why did Girish and Veena suffer in silence? Because that guilt was there in their heart. They did not say anything to anybody. They lied. So that is the reason they were suffering in silence. Why did Veena bursted out into tears when she saw the mother return? So when she saw the mother return, she felt bad and she went, hugged the mother, and in guilt she started crying, and then she said that she has done a mistake. Hiding the truth is tricky situation. You have to wear more lies to lie, more lies to remember each one to keep in the story. Review the story. If Veena hadn't confessed her mistake and the mother would have caught her instead, what do you think would have happened? So children, अगर वीना अपनी मदर को नहीं बताती कि उन्होंने ऐसा किया है और मदर को कपड़ा मिल जाता तो क्या होता? Just read the story again and write it down what would have happened. Now we have got Tony and Tutu. Hey Tutu, do you want to have an orange? I brought this orange yesterday. They are delicious. Tony, I don't want these orange. I saw you stealing them from neighbor's tree. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm so ashamed of what I did. Tony, you should not have lied to me. Please try to be honest and apologize to the neighbors. See, now again, if we are lying, if we are robbing, if we are taking something from somebody without even telling them or asking them, that is again a bad habit. So don't do that. Okay, if you need something, please ask for it and the other person will give you. Okay, now subject connect. It's common for people to hide the truth or only say the part of the truth that they feel are acceptable or that they think people won't want to hear, leaving the full truth hiding away. They make lie by oming or telling little white lie. The paint is very different picture of reality. It's not surprise that these lies doesn't just hurt relationship, but they can override destroy them. Yes, so a lie just not children hurt each other, but they can also affect a relationship. You might lose your friend by lying, so don't lie. Here is a situation when students lie in different ways. Reason out why they must not have done this. When a student tell his friend how a certain teacher mistreated him for barely anything. When a student tell his friend how he might have done something but nothing is a big to mistreat before the class. When a student tell everyone that a teacher is already famous for doing these with student. See, if a teacher is scolding you for not getting your books or not doing your homework or not sitting quietly in the class, and that is a punishment, you should follow that. You should see, if the teacher is scolding you, you should listen to her because you have done a mistake. Okay, just don't talk wrong about the teachers. Now, value for life. Telling the truth is never easy, but the truth is incredibly powerful in itself and is necessary component to fulfill life. No change is possible without knowing the truth. We cannot change anything. We are not aware of truth. Let's be honest and speak and expressing our thoughts with everyone and around. Yes, so always say the truth. Don't hide the truth. Stop trying to convince everyone that you are right. Realize that it is not the fun. Stop putting things until tomorrow. Consider other point of view and don't give up. So ऐसा नहीं कि कल कर लेंगे, कल बोल दूंगा. No. If you have done a mistake, go and say it right now. Okay. Now there is an activity for you. Everyone who in the class sit in a large circle with the caller in the center. The caller calls out of the description being in the word. For example, everyone who has been a bully, everyone who has been cheating on tests, everyone who has been cried at school, everyone who tried to sign a permission slip. Every player of this describe the truth must change chair with one another in two places and make a circle. The player left with the seat before the new caller, the game continues. So we'll play this game in the class when we meet. Okay. Now develop a character sketch of your favorite frictional character. You have to highlight all the negative traits. Now develop a character sketch of your favorite frictional character. Highlight all the good and positive virtues. Okay. So do this. Now draw two of your favorite characters and write what they have negatives and write what they have positives. Okay. So this was all about saying the truth and being honest and being truthful. I will see you in the next class. Till that time, children, always say the truth. Okay. Bye bye. Take care.